Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this problem. First, we have to work this. 15 divided by 3, it equals 5, and 10 divided by 2, it equals 5, and 5 divided by 5, it equals 1. But this is not correct answer. If you say why, okay, I will try to explain it. Because multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this, and then we have to work this, and then we have to work this. And according to this rule, first 15 divided by 3, it equals 5, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 10 divided by 2. And here, according to this rule, first we have to work this, and 5 divided by 10, 5 divided by 10, and divided by 2. And here we have to use KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And according to this rule, first we have to write 5 over 10. And we have to cancel here it equals 1 over 2, and here 1 over 2 according to this rule, and we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 2. When we flip it, 1 over 2, and here 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1, it equals 1, and 2 multiplied by 2, it equals 4. Our final and correct answer 1 over 2, and we can write it like this, 0.25, and we can copy this answer here. 1 over 4 or 0.25. This is our final and correct answer. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, and if you put the like the video, I will be happy.